KevG weather overview and the collective groan of the tri-state area as we look at this weekend's pretty dull, dank, damp weather pattern. We've had such a nice stretch of weather, and the timing could not be worse for those who love to beach and barbecue and boat on the weekend of Memorial Day. So here it is from NOAA, and the culprit is this slow-moving weather system that the GFS has moving in. Now, the rain is actually moving in faster. If we take a look at what's happening in real time off the EWOL site, you can see that the rain, a good chunk of rain at that, is moving from west to east, and it's starting to fill in pretty rapidly. So the model is a bit slow with how fast the rain is actually moving in versus what it thinks the rain is doing. But nonetheless, the model does have the rain for us, and a good deal of rain at that, easily around an inch or so tonight into Saturday. And as we watch this all play out off of the GFS, it leaves us very unsettled for much of the day Saturday, particularly towards the coast where a raw east wind is going to hang on. You're going to have periods of rain and drizzle off and on, even though the steadiest rain will be gone by Saturday morning in most places, especially towards the coast. You see how it just lingers into Sunday. And this is by Sunday morning. And again, we have a stubborn area of low pressure, not a strong storm at all, but just stuck and not really getting out of the way. So you can see the persistent rain on and off in a more intermittent fashion as we go later in the weekend. But nonetheless, kind of a gloomy situation with temperatures not really moving much at all. In fact, temperatures I think will be some 15 to 20 degrees below where they should be. So just kind of an ugly Memorial Day weekend shaping up. And then lo and behold, by the time we get to Monday afternoon, the weather model thinks that the storm is moving out to sea and weather conditions will improve by Tuesday into Wednesday. Now, another system may try to work in by the time we hit Thursday into Thursday afternoon, and that may bring us another opportunity for showers and thunderstorms once again to bubble up. But that system will take on a different character. It looks like it's coming in from the south, so there might be a more warm and humid air mass associated with that. So the weather pattern does change. Right now, we're stuck with sort of a trough of low pressure that's just really not going to go anywhere. By the time next week rolls around, we finally get rid of the stubborn area of low pressure, but it takes a long time to get rid of it. And as a result, the temperatures are going to be in the tank for this weekend. These are Saturday's high temperatures. If we make it to 60, it'll be because the sun pops out for a little while, but the odds of that happening are very, very low, with persistent on and off rain followed by with the abundant cloud cover around and winds coming out of the east from off the very cool Atlantic water. Sunday, not much change in the temperatures, highs around 60. So that's basically that's basically looking at about 15 to 20 degrees below where it should be this time of year. Monday, the model is trying to be more optimistic with developing sun in the afternoon. If that happens, temperatures will make a run at 70, but we're going to have to get rid of some morning clouds, it looks like. So by the time we get into Tuesday, though, weather conditions will be improving markedly. And due to that strong sun this time of year, we're looking at temperatures making a run at perhaps 80 degrees by the time we get into Tuesday and then again on Wednesday. And we'll have to see what happens with this front for next Thursday as the temperatures really start to warm up by the time we get to next Thursday. But we're going to have to deal with the risk of that front moving through and providing more unsettled weather for next week, late next week. So a murky Memorial Day. Try to enjoy it as best you can. At least we don't have to work on Monday. And, spend time with friends and family and all that jazz. But weather conditions are not going to be improving. In fact, they will be deteriorating as we go into tonight. And pretty much the same story with the steadiest, heaviest rain overnight into Saturday morning with more residual showers and just cool weather for the rest of the weekend.